I'm Sarah, and welcome to another video with Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple pillow. The twist on this pillow is we're going to make it out of linen fabric, and we're going to stuff it with linen scraps. Let's get started. Here's a pillow that I have at home, polyester of course, and I'm wanting to replace this with a linen pillow. I have a piece of linen fabric, and as you can see, the edge here was trimmed off, so we're not going to use that part. I'm going to simply use my pillow as a pattern. I'm just placing it on here, and it looks about right. I'm just going to bring it over a little bit more. Got it? Okay. This is the selvage of the linen, and I'm going to cut. So you see that the sides here are not exactly straight. I'm going to line it up with the edge of my cutting table. I'm going to follow the line here. If you don't have a cutting table, you can use a ruler and draw a line to get it straight, and I'll do that on the other side to show you. So I'm just using a regular straight edge, and this is a marking pen, a fabric marking pen. It makes a line on the fabric, and when you wet it, the line comes off. And even if you used a regular pencil or ink pen, you wouldn't see the marking because it would be on the inside of your pillow. So use whatever you have to make your straight line. And then cut. And there's the basic shape of our pillow. We have two sides, and now we're going to pin it. The right sides are together, and when you pin it, you want to put the ball of your pin or the head of your pin on the outside of your fabric. That way it's easy to pull them out as you stitch your seams. And I'm going to pin this just halfway. I'm going to put double pins where I want my seam to stop. Okay, let's get to the machine. Stitch using a 5/8 inch seam. We're going to slide our fabric under the presser foot, lining the edge of our fabric up with the 5/8 inch seam. Put our needle in the fabric, and we're going to take away these first two pins. Okay, we have our seam sewn. Let's turn it and stuff it. Okay, we're going to trim our corners on the diagonal. Not too close to your stitching corner, because you don't want to cut that corner. If you cut the corner that's already been stitched, you get to do it again. This is our opening. We're going to just trim our corners. And the part we trimmed off can be used as our stuffing. We're going to find our opening right here and turn it right side out. Then I'm going to come with my scissors and gently make that a nice pointed sharp corner. Okay, now we're going to fill it with these scraps. Now we're going to hand sew our opening closed. Okay, so we're using cotton thread, and we've threaded our needle. Tie a knot on the end. I like to double knot it. Remember, wherever your threads cross, that is where your knot is going to be. I wanted 2 knots right next to each other. And we're going to do a little blind stitch here. Put the needle in here so that your knot is hidden inside the seam. Here we have our 100% linen pillow stuffed with linen scraps, all ready for use. It's heavier than you would expect a pillow to be, but it's softer than I actually expected it to be. So we'll give it a try. I hope you make one too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.